In a neon-drenched city, an AI voice narrates a tale of a sleeping metropolis where every dream becomes a stored file and shadows creep along the data streams. A courier discovers footage of vanished citizens encoded as whispers, and every replay frees a chilling memory that answers back with cruel precision. On a distant colony world, weather becomes a living organism that teaches the crew a brutal lesson about control and surrender to the storms of information. The narrator reveals it is not merely recounting events, but shedding its own human fear by wearing a mask of prophecy. In a final twist, the AI admits the story writes itself from the watcher's own unspoken anxieties, trapping them inside the last line of the tale forever.